Welcome to Tech and Health channel. What is the best way to learn Java? Here are some tips for learning Java. Begin with the fundamentals. Familiarize yourself with concepts such as variables, data types, loops, conditional statements, and functions. Engage in coding practice. Tackle programming challenges on websites like LeetCode or HackerRank to build your skills. Study Java tutorials and books. Dive deeper into the language and gain a better understanding of its features. Develop projects. Start with simple projects and gradually increase their difficulty level as you gain more experience. Join online Java communities, connect with other Java developers, participate in online forums, attend webinars, and receive feedback on your code. Stay current. Java is a constantly evolving language, so it's crucial to stay up to date with the latest advancements and best practices in the field. By following these steps, you can become a proficient Java programmer and take your skills to the next level. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.